Electrician pay in Myanmar is worth a closer look. On average, an electrician in Myanmar earns around $1,180 a year as an average annual gross salary. After tax, that drops to $1,080, which leaves you with a monthly electrician income of roughly $90. People living in larger cities, like Yangon, bring home noticeably more, where take-home pay is around $1,280. While living outside Yangon means lower electrician wages, everyday costs are usually much smaller too. Starting out as a beginner means earning well below the average electrician salary in Myanmar, but your pay goes up fast as you gain experience. After several years, this growth slows down unless you step up into supervision. Having a university degree is not usually required for this job, yet it helps you move into higher paying positions, like electrical engineer or project manager. On top of that, learning specialized skills allows you to charge substantially higher rates, so extra training directly increases how much does an electrician make in Myanmar.